Personal traits and life experiences of the 12 Chinese zodiac animals, the wise rat. If you were born on the dates listed above, your Chinese zodiac sign would be the rat. In the story of the Chinese zodiac race, the rat knew that it was small in size and could not swim, so it used the ox to its advantage. Just as the ox was about to reach the finish line, the rat jumped over the finish line from the ox's head and won first place. From the story, we can see that Chinese people believe that the rat is a smart, insightful, and strategic animal that can weigh the pros and cons. Therefore, people born in the year of the rat are thoughtful and perceptive. The rat's way of thinking is not just about rational and logical aspects, but it is more inclined to a clever and strategic mindset. As a result, those born in the year of the rat usually enjoy solving puzzles, playing games like chess that require the gymnasium of the mind, and even have a preference for reading detective novels or watching thrillers. Due to their fondness for thinking, rats also possess an inherent curiosity to seek the truth and uncover the essence of things. Therefore, they often excel in academic fields, particularly in philosophy, mathematics, psychology, and the like. Philosophy allows them to explore the world from a perspective outside of the physical realm. Mathematics is akin to a series of mysterious codes, and psychology enables them to deconstruct the thoughts of individuals. These are all areas of interest for them. As the rat's wisdom enabled it to win first place in the zodiac race, rats often excel in their work and achieve outstanding accomplishments. However, their use of others not only demonstrates their cleverness and cunning, but also indicates that they tend to keep a distance from others and may have difficulty forming deep connections with people. Therefore, they may not be well suited for teamwork, but instead excel in individual work that allows them to showcase their talents. People born in the year of the rat dislike things that are vague and lack evidence. If you want to get along with them, it's important to engage in conversations about practical matters and even seek their advice on certain topics. This allows them to fully showcase their superior intelligence and knowledge, making them feel appreciated and valued. Eventually, they may even consider you a rare and cherished friend. For those born in the year of the rat, it is highly recommended to seek inspiration and career direction from books to achieve success more smoothly. Rats have a natural aptitude for understanding book knowledge, and books can provide a deeper understanding and more unique perspectives than simply relying on the opinions of others. By doing so, rats can carve out a path that sets them apart from the rest.